Building a website can be daunting. It often requires technical skills and a lot of time. FunnelX AI is here to change that. This innovative tool uses artificial intelligence to simplify website creation. It empowers entrepreneurs and marketers to build stunning, high-converting websites with ease. FunnelX AI's intuitive interface and powerful features make website building a breeze. No more wrestling with code or spending hours on design. Imagine creating a professional-looking website in minutes, all thanks to the power of AI. This is the future of website building, and it's here today. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, FunnelX AI has something for you. It offers a range of templates and tools to cater to diverse needs. With FunnelX AI, you can focus on what truly matters, growing your business. Let's dive deeper into how FunnelX AI is transforming the world of website building. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities for your online presence. FunnelX AI is not just another website builder, it's a game changer. It leverages the power of AI to streamline and simplify every step of the process. Imagine dragging and dropping elements and having the AI intuitively arrange them for optimal design. No need to worry about coding, design principles, or technical complexities. FunnelX AI handles it all, allowing you to focus on your content and strategy. This efficiency translates to faster launch times and quicker results for your business. But FunnelX AI is not just about speed, it's also about intelligence. The AI analyzes your niche, target audience, and goals to suggest the most effective templates and elements for your website. This ensures your website not only looks good, but also performs well, driving conversions and maximizing your ROI. Gone are the days of spending countless hours on website building. With FunnelX AI, you can create stunning, high-converting websites in a fraction of the time. It's time to embrace the future of website creation and unlock your online potential. FunnelX AI has taken the digital marketing world by storm, and users are raving about its capabilities. Early adopters are praising its ease of use, powerful features, and impressive results. I was blown away by how easy FunnelX AI made it to build my website, says Sarah J., a digital marketer. I had a professional-looking website up and running in under an hour. The AI took care of everything, from design to layout. It was truly remarkable. Mark L., an entrepreneur, shares his experience. FunnelX AI has been a game-changer for my business. The AI-powered features have helped me create a website that converts like crazy. I've seen a significant increase in leads and sales since switching to FunnelX AI. These are just a few examples of the countless positive reviews FunnelX AI has received. The overwhelming consensus is clear. FunnelX AI is revolutionizing the way websites are built, empowering users of all skill levels to create stunning and effective online presences. The proof is in the pudding, as they say. And the pudding, in this case, is the abundance of positive feedback from satisfied FunnelX AI users. Their experiences speak volumes about the transformative power of this groundbreaking platform. FunnelX AI is packed with features designed to make website building a breeze while ensuring optimal performance. Let's explore some of its key features and benefits. Say goodbye to design dilemmas. FunnelX AI's intelligent algorithms analyze your niche and target audience to suggest the most effective templates, color schemes, and layouts. Building your website is as easy as dragging and dropping elements. The intuitive interface makes website creation a seamless and enjoyable experience. In today's mobile-first world, having a responsive website is crucial. FunnelX AI automatically optimizes your website for all devices, ensuring a seamless experience for every visitor. FunnelX AI takes care of the technical aspects of SEO, ensuring your website is easily discoverable by search engines. It guides you on optimizing your content and provides insights to improve your rankings. FunnelX AI is built to drive conversions. It offers a range of tools and features to optimize your website for lead generation, sales, and other business objectives. These are just a glimpse of the many features that make FunnelX AI the ultimate website building solution. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a tech novice, FunnelX AI empowers you to create a website that not only looks great, but also delivers exceptional results.